and welcome to my VR magical 180 Wonderland. Yes, you can see up, down, left, and right, except for that's your right, my left. It's very confusing. Anyway, happy Halloween, everybody. For the first time ever, we are showing you a VR perspective of everything we've got going on for the trick-or-treaters. So we've got cotton candy, and we've got a snow cone machine we haven't set up yet, and we have an igloo full of drinks. We've got like little carnival games over here. We're gonna be tossing bean bags. Lots of fun stuff is happening, and to partake in the fun, we have invited over some childhood friends that now have children. So they are gonna be enjoying all of the treats that we're gonna be serving up, and we're gonna be taking you with us. All right, you guys, it is time to make some delicious cotton candy. So we have a ton of different flavors out here. We've got cherry, vanilla, I think this one is blueberry, blue raspberry, and we also have Jolly Berry, which is actually strawberry, but you said you wanted cherry, huh?
Yeah.
Cherry, all right. And for the first time ever, we have these glowing cotton candy wands. They glow or they flash. Amazing. All right. Yeah, look at that. It's gonna make a big one. Uh-huh. All right. There you go. Yay. Okay. Now we need, oh, there we go. Okay, we gotta pull that out first. There we go. That looks so cool, glowing. I've never seen that before. Almost done. There you go.
Right.
Look at that. You can pour the sugar and do it at once. I feel like I always have to have you pour the sugar so I can twirl as fast as possible. Wait, what flavor did you get?
I put sherry, but I'm going to do a multi-flavor.
Okay, look, I'll do it.
All right.
By the end of the night, you guys, we're going to be covered in sugar. No joke. It happens every year. Even my fake eyelashes get covered in sugar. So that's why I feel like I always have to have, like, protective eyewear on. How do you do this? Oh my god, that tastes so good. I've never tasted this. I've never even eaten my own cotton candy.
Bubbles floats.
You're good at that. Whoa.
Oh, I'm so because you won't get hurt anymore.
Yeah, we're gonna have to stop.
And we have the camera. Oh, I got the camera. I hit the camera twice. I hit the camera. You keep hitting it. Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Whoa! Look at that bubble, guys! Oh my! He's made the biggest bubble in the world! Make that one again. Make it again.
All right, everybody, it's snow cone time.
Bring the snow ice over here. I brought it out of Jeffree. All right, Jerry.
Can you see me now? Here we go. We're gonna put some flavor and then. Oh, there we go. All right, one cherry, one coming up. Oh, we have black, orange, green, and purple. Black. All right.
Much bubblegums. Press it down, and then here we go.
All right, and the last thing we have to show you guys is our marvelous soda treasure chest. We've got Dr. Pepper, ginger ale, Mountain Dew, Orange Crush. What's the difference between Crush and Sunkist?
I don't know.
Yes, Dr. Pepper. There you go. parents need some?
Dad,
Do the parents need some soda? All right, now it's time to hand everybody their trick-or-treat baskets. Come and get them. Woo! After all the goodies.
Woo!
Here we go.
Ta-da! Buckets for everybody. Yay!
Ooh, I want the
You want that one? There we go. There we go. All right. Yay! Okay. Thank you so much to everybody who came to my virtual reality carnival and hung out with us tonight on this very special Halloween night. I hope you all had a happy, safe, and wonderful Halloween, and I cannot wait to see you guys again very soon. An extra special thank you to all of our friends that came out and hung out with us today. Woo! So, we will see y'all again very, very soon. I love y'all so much. Bye.
I told you there would be ants. You grab them, because you won't get hurt anywhere.
That'd be great. Yeah, we're gonna have to stop this because there's ants all over it.
I was saying that.
Yeah.
Yeah.